Unlock your earning potential and build your financial future, starting right now. Today, we're diving into how teenagers can create their own sources of income, giving you the power to be financially independent. First up, let's talk about freelancing. This is where you use your skills to complete projects for clients on a contract basis. Think graphic design, writing, video editing, or even coding if that's your jam. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to start looking for gigs. Next, the classic part-time job. This is a fantastic way to gain real-world experience and earn a steady paycheck. Retail, food service, tutoring younger students, or even dog walking are all popular options. Look for local businesses or check online job boards for opportunities near you. But what about the online world? The internet opens up a whole new universe of income possibilities. You could manage social media for small businesses, participate in paid online surveys, or even turn your hobbies into income by selling handmade crafts on Etsy or your own website. The key is to identify your skills and interests, then market them effectively. Don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and start small. By taking charge of your finances now, you're building valuable skills and setting yourself up for success. Go out there and start earning.